Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the Robinhood Gold card. First, it is essential to understand the initial requirements. You must be an active Robinhood Gold member, which costs $5 monthly or $50 annually. Additionally, applicants need to reside in one of the 50 United States. Be ready for a credit check, as approval depends on meeting specific underwriting criteria. Once you meet the eligibility, the next step is the application itself. Begin by joining the waitlist with your email. Robinhood will notify you when it is your turn to apply. Then, navigate to the Gold Card section within your Robinhood app. You will need to provide personal information, including your full name, residential address, and estimated annual income. Review everything carefully before submitting. The Robinhood Gold Card offers impressive benefits. You will earn an uncapped 3% cash back on almost every purchase you make. For travel enthusiasts, booking through the Robinhood travel portal yields an even higher 5% cash back. Plus, enjoy the convenience of no annual fees and zero foreign transaction fees, making it a great option for both everyday spending and international trips. After submitting your application, you may receive a decision quickly, sometimes within minutes. Upon approval, download the Robinhood Credit Card app, available on iOS and Android. You can log in using your existing Robinhood credentials. Your virtual card will be ready for immediate use online or with mobile wallets, while your physical stainless steel card, weighing 17 grams, arrives by mail shortly after.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.